Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. Leave a comment and a like, helps the video out a ton. And don't forget to click the bell notification so that you know anytime I go live. Okay, today's dish is a nice, hearty, home-style creamy coleslaw. It's real easy to do. First thing we got to do is make the dressing for our coleslaw, which consists of 1 cup of mayonnaise, a half a cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of white vinegar, and then a half a teaspoon of celery seeds, and then a teaspoon of brown mustard. And then, of course, salt and pepper to taste. Remember, before you add the dressing, always taste it to make sure the seasonings are right. And then just whisk everything until everything is all mixed together and happy. And that's pretty much it for the dressing and pretty much it for this dish, as a matter of fact. Okay, now we have our coleslaw mix. Time to add our dressing. All that little dressing. And then we just want to swirl this all around. Mix it all in. Make sure all the coleslaw mix is coated. And then it is ready to serve now, technically, but I would recommend letting this hang out in the fridge for at least 2 hours and then re-stir before serving. And then to serve, I just do a light little dusting of some freshly ground black pepper, and that's it. Homestyle creamy coleslaw. Done.